Fact or fiction, less than 30-day rentals causes lots of wear and tear on a property. Many people believe that the more rentals you have come through a property, the more wear and tear you'll have on a property. In my 10+ years of managing vacation rental properties with thousands of leases under our belt, we find this to be one of the biggest misconceptions about rentals in Naples, Florida. When people come for several months, or for the entire season, they naturally bring more stuff. Many of the snowbirds get in their car and drive to Naples, and we've seen their cars packed to the brim. They also tend to stay home and cook more than going out. When people come for shorter-term stays, like a week or even less, they usually fly to their destination. Thanks to airline regulation and baggage expense, people are packing lighter and lighter all the time. Guests who come to stay for a few nights or a week arrive with just a small rolling carry-on bag and no more. And when they're on vacation for such a short time, we find they have a tendency to eat out more. When they do use the kitchen, they're only making a bowl of cereal or a light breakfast. The other side of things comes with how often a home is professionally cleaned. We clean the vacation rentals twice with each reservation. We clean it before they arrive and again after they leave. So if you have a property that gets rented maybe 18 times per year, an owner is satisfied knowing that their property has been professionally cleaned at least 36 times that year. Naples Florida Vacation Homes takes a proactive approach to property management. After all, a well-maintained vacation rental is good for business. We have a highly organized team who takes care of everything from booking reservations, to cleaning before a guest arrives and after they leave, to providing commercially laundered hotel quality linens. Our team works to maintain the properties we manage in tip-top shape. This ensures that each renter has the best possible experience and that our owners experience minimal to no unexpected problems with their property. Let us take the hassle out of maintaining your vacation rental. Contact us today to learn more.